This is one of the treks in Nauru behind the rubbish bin. The other gun is over there. But let's check this one out. Oh, there goes a naughty bird. Yep. She's definitely seen better days. Yep. Tells you one thing. The other gun mount is over there with Meredith. This is Nauru. Yep. Nauru. So if ever you're in Nauru, you can check out this gun mount here, or the one over there. And the one over there is similar as well. You can climb on them. It's been a sanctuary for the naughty birds. And of course, this is definitely man-made. Yeah, for that. But we'll check out what's going on the other side when Meredith gets back.